What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from XM Broker to Binance. So, to withdraw your money or your funds here from your XM Broker account to Binance, well, there are a few things here that we need to understand. So, in order for you to make a withdrawal, to be speaking, you want to go ahead and just open up the actual app and just log in into your account. Let's open up XM here. Now from here, we want to go and just choose the 3-bar icon at the top left of your screen. And at the top left of your screen, you should be able to see a number of things here. But what's important here is going to be the withdrawal page. Now, you may need to scroll down a bit here in order for you to see it. But if you do see it, you go and just press on it. Now, if you want to withdraw your funds, obviously you need to verify yourself. That includes verifying your phone, your personal information, and uploading your proof of identity and residency here. So just click on continue and just follow the on-screen steps here to verify yourself. But once you've verified yourself, the options for withdrawal should now be available to you. Well, once you've verified yourself or verified your account in your XM broker account here, to be speaking, this is what you should see. So first is going to be the withdrawal page here, which if you scroll down a bit, you should see different options for withdrawal. So that includes like AstroPay, Visa, Online Naira, so and a lot more. But the thing with XM Broker, it's actually impossible for you to withdraw to your Binance account. So currently, it's not yet supported, which is unfortunate. But in this case, you may want to check it yourself first. Look for Binance here and see if it's actually now available. But as of this moment, it's not yet possible. So if you want to use your funds from your XM Broker here, what I would suggest you is try to use the Visa or MasterCard or the bank card payout method here. Now, you can actually add cards into your Binance account, so it's in the indirect way here of just basically withdrawing and using your funds in Binance. So obviously, if you click on bank card payout here, you need to provide some details about your card here to go and provide that, or whatever method that you want to use in here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.